printing the base plate okay. This is going to be really boring to watch. Well, there it goes. Happily printing away. And it's printing out the support structures to hold everything up. I guess I'll just sand that off later. Alright, something is not right. When I try to position it back to home, it jiggles around. When it was printing out my test, it started printing way off to the side there after it was doing half of it fine. And so I'm going to tell it to print home. I'm going to tell it to reset to home all. And let's see what it does. And now it's doing this back and forth shit, which I don't think it's supposed to do that. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to do that. So the Y and Z seem to work, but X is not working at all. This is what it started doing, was screwing up the that marauder there, that little model. So that's what it's doing. We'll do it one more time. Going down to position. Tell it to go to home all. And it's just sort of jigging around like that. So I'm going to turn this thing off, and I'm going to assume that this is not what it's supposed to do. And this is the first time, this is the first day I've had it, so pretty sure this is DOA. Turning it off, letting it cool down, and I'll save this video to send to you guys.